Hi everyone, I'm going to be recording a video on how to write a math justification. So this is one problem on your homework, and the problem says Catherine has a bag of 20 dried beans. 8 of the beans are painted blue. If Catherine selects a bean from the bag at random, what is the probability that she will not draw, or that she will draw a bean that is not blue? So my sample space is going to be 20. That's the total number of possibilities. And there are 8 that are painted blue. So if I want not, I need to find the complement. So some number when added to 8 20ths will give me one whole 20 over 20ths. So the total number that are not blue, and actually maybe I'll make this 12 red, and I'll make this 8 here blue. Okay, so there's going to be 12 over 20ths, 12 20ths that are going to be not blue. And if I simplify this fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator by 4, that's going to give me 3/5. So my answer is C. Now, this is a part where you need to take notes. For math justification, you need a couple of things. First, you need the very first part, state. Let me write that neater. First part is to state your answer. State your answer. Next part, walk through in writing. Walk through your process. And this you need to include any important vocabulary. Any important vocab. So complement, desired outcome, sample space, those are all things that I'm going to be using. And finally, 3, conclude with stating your answer. Stating your answer. Any solid math justification has to be at least, I would say, 5 sentences. So now let me take a screenshot of this and attach it onto a Word document, and I'm going to write a math justification for this problem here. Okay, so here's the problem, and I'm going to have my work here. Okay, I'll type underneath this. Okay. So my answer for problem 2 is C, 3/5. To go about this problem, I first needed to notice that the question was asking for the amount of beans that were not blue. In this probability problem, if I use the given information of the number of blue beans, I can then find the complement to find my answer. The given information was that there is 8 blue beans. So notice that I'm going to be using the specifics of the problem. I'm actually saying how many blue beans there are. Therefore, my desired outcome, or numerator, will be 8. I am also given the sample space, and I'm going to even define this word in my justification. I'm also given the sample space, or the total number of outcomes, which is 20 total beans. Therefore, I've already used therefore. Using the desired outcome, how about now? Next, I can put the 8 and the 20 into a fraction, parentheses, 8/20ths, and then use this fraction to find the complement, which will give me the number of beans that are not blue. The complement is 12/20ths. And when I simplify the fraction by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 4, am I a fast typer? By 4, I will get 3/5. And then I'm going to end with the concluding sentence. Therefore, my answer for the probability, I'm going to kind of self-contained answer, including the question and the answer. My answer for the probability of picking a non-blue bean is 3/5. And if I wanted to go on, I could even solve for the decimal and percentage, or 0.6 or 60%. So it's not short. It contains the specifics of the problem. It has my introductory sentence right here, just my answer. And then I went about this in a very methodical way. There's a lot of thinking that goes along with this problem. I used vocab words such as sample space, and I even defined it within this justification. And I also went above and beyond by giving decimals and percentages. This right here would be an example of a justification worthy of Monito, the 5. All right, everyone, make sure that your justifications look or are striving to be something like this. Thank you very much, and goodbye.